Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Jefferson Bolívar Linares. Vengo a presentar la diapositiva del bienestar y seguridad en el trabajo en la materia de inglés. Currently, it is evident that work is an indicator that directly and negatively affect the work that must be carried out in the daily context and that lead and at work every month and log performance in terms of work faced with this is for paramount importance to take into account the handling lifestyle of member of sub-company take in account that mental health should prevail and for this reason healthy, aging, and physical essentially as active breaks and rest time should be priorities in work. Nutrition health 18. Good nutrition help workers have more energy, be more focused, and the more productive. It also helps prevent chronic diseases, such and obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Companies can promote healthy nutrition in the workplace in several ways. One, one way is to offer healthy food in the dining room of vending machines and trash, which is offer nutrition education program on workers. It is also important to create a work environment that is con- conducive to physical activity such as intelligence, gyms, or working areas. Physical activity. Regular physical activity reduces its risk of multiple medical conditions, including carbohydrates, cerebrovascular events, high blood pressure, and some cancers such as colon and breast cancer. It has been shown that vast majority of workers remain seated at least 18 hours a day, and depending on the work, this time might be even great performing a minimum level of physical activity or low intensity during the course of their work. Relevance. Healthy nutrition is an important part of the health and well-being of workers. Companies that promote healthy nutrition in the workplace can improve employer performance and reduce costs. Muchas gracias.